Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf, and today we're gonna talk about NLTK or Natural Language Toolkit. Okay, so let's start our video. So first of all, what is NLTK? Well, NLTK or Natural Language Toolkit is a Python library for processing human language data, providing tools for text analysis, tokenization, streaming, tagging, parsing, and more. Okay, so let's see what is tokenization, streaming, tagging, parsing are. Okay, step by step. So first, what is tokenization? Well, tokenization is the process of breaking text into individual words or phrases known as tokens for analysis or pre-processing. So here is the code I provide, which tokenize a sentence into individual words using NLTK word tokenizer function. Tokenize function. Okay, so first you have to import NLTK, and before that, if you didn't install the NLTK, you have to install it by using the command like pip install NLTK. So after that, you can see after importing, I am using from NLTK.tokenizer. I am importing word tokenizer function from the tokenize module. Okay, so here first I am giving some text like NLTK is a powerful language for NLP, and I am assigning this for to the text variable, and then I'm using tokens variable, and I'm using that word tokenizer function and assigning the text value, which was this, and then it will print the result. And you can see here it it divided it divided the phrase into the words, or break the sentence into the words. Now here you can see energetic is another word, is another word, another word. Powerful is another word, library is another word, for is another word, NLP is another word, and dot is another word. So it separated every value here. And here you can see now it is a list of words. Okay. So yeah, tokenization do this, and it is very useful in the translation or text analysis tasks. It is very useful, and ChatGPT give you answer based on this. First, it use this tokenization, it separate the words and then find the meaning and then give you the answer. ChatGPT also use this, so tokenization is very important. You should know that. Okay, so after that, let's see the stemming. Now, stemming. What is stemming? Well, stemming reduces words to their base form by removing endings, helping in text analysis. Okay, so now it remove the ending words. Now here you can see rain, runs, rains. Now it will try to make all the words into same length. Now here you can see the rain is the smallest one, so it will try to make all the words same to the rain. Only three words. Okay, so first you have to import from nltk.steam import portal steamer, and then you initialize the steamer to the portal steamer to the steamer variable, and then you use some words from list of words like running, runs, and rain. After that, you will use the steams, and then you use the list comprehension function like you use steamer or steamer word for word and words. Now this is known as the list comprehension, which we talked already, or I didn't talk about, I guess. I will make a short Python course or intermediate course where I talk about this, so stay tuned for that. So for now, it is, yeah, I guess, list comprehension where you use a for loop in the list. Okay, so here you can see after using list, it will steam word, every word here. First running, then runs, then rain. Okay, so after that, it print the results. Here you can see the run and rain output. Okay, so steaming do this. Okay, so after that, let's see another, which is tagging. Tagging. Now, tagging assigns label to words in text, such as part of a speech text, like noun, verbs, or other categories for better understanding. It assign the tags to each word. Now, means it tell the which word is what. If it is NLTK, it tell NLTK the noun. Powerful is is the verb, or like library is a noun. It will tell you about that. So it is very useful. Like if the chatbot want to talk, it know how to use grammar. For tagging is very important. So below, this code below uses the tagging, the post tag. Use the post tag to use the tagging system. Okay, so first you have to from NLTK import post tag, then from NLTK to tokenizer import what tokenizer, like we seen already in the previous slide. So after that, you can text NLTK the powerful link. I'm using the same sentence. After that, you can tokenizing the sentence, so it will separate all the value, as you know. After that, you can see I'm using text for each tokens. Now for each tokens, it will do the tagging. So now here you can see the output. I printed the output, and you can see the output where NLTK is the NNP, and the verb is the verb, and A is a did, and powerful is a JG. It is the short forms. Okay, so you can better search about it. Okay, library is the noun, and like these are the short forms telling you. Mostly it will tell the computer what are these. So you have to search about it, what is NNP and VVS. These are short forms or short phrase. Okay. So yeah, this is the tagging. After tagging, let's see another one, which is the parsing. Now, parsing is analyzing text to identify the structure such as grammatical elements to understand its meaning. To try to parse the sentence. Now you can see this code defines a simple context-free grammar and phrase assembly according to the grammar rules. Okay, it will use the grammar rules to correct the sentence. So first I'm using the NLTK from NLTK. I'm using CFG from NLTK parse. I'm importing recursive descent parser. Then I'm using grammar. Then I'm CFG form string, and I'm using some string sentences. And I'm also from parser using recursive parser and grammar. I'm assigning all the grammar words to the grammar from person, and then I'm using a sentence. NLTK is a powerful library to split. Now you split all the words. Split is also good function for splitting the text into the words. And as you can see, I'm using the for loop in the tree, and then I'm printing it. And you see, it makes some sense, but it doesn't make some sense. So outputs make some sense, but this doesn't make some sense. So yeah, first thing is like that. If you wanna search more about that, feel free, because it is just a basic intro about the NLTK. So now I guess you get some boring by listening these four types, which were kind of boring. Sorry for that. But let's go to some interesting stuff like how can we use NLTK to make text to speech model? It is very easy. So let's see. First, it is not enough to use only NLTK, because NLTK don't have the voice power. So I'm also using the PTX P by T by text to speech. You can say or PYTTX SX3, which I didn't talk about here, but I will make a separate video about this. So stay tuned for that. So here you can see I am first importing PDX PyDT SX3, and then I'm from importing from NLTK tokenize. I'm importing send tokenize, and then from like same in initializing the text to speech into the engine. Now I will whenever I try to use engine, you think like I'm using the PATTX. Okay. After that, here I'm giving some random example text like NLTK is a powerful library for NLP. It provides easy to use interface for tools. Now, tokenize the text into the space sentences using NLTK. Now, here you can see it will look like a sentence too, but our NLTK, our model didn't know the what it is a text or it is a two sentences. So we use the NLTK to separate this text into two sentences, because there is a dot here. So I'm using the send tokenizer, which separate the text into two sentences. NLTK is a powerful library for NLP. Then it is a provide easy to use interface. So it will convert it into two sentences. Okay. So yeah, then I'm using the loop for sentence and sentences. Engine say sentence, then it will wait for second, and then will say another sentence. So first it say NLTK is a powerful library for NLP. Then it will rest some, and then it will say it provides easy to use interface for tools. Okay. So yeah, you can make it more cool by using the input function. So you can ask the user for input, and then it will say that. Okay. Or you can create a chatbot and which can speak like that. Okay. So here is some more code. If you guys want to dig more, like if you want to use separate devices, you can use this. So you can get some devices from the you get some input devices, so you can select any devices and use that. So you can use that code. So yeah, this was the basic intro about the NLTK. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please support me or consider supporting me. So yeah, this was all. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in another video. Bye. See ya.